Hi all. Last week we did some interviews at the Classic Plastic Model Club show just outside of Boston. This one is with a first-time builder whose project you may have heard about, and we got to see it up close. Good morning everybody, Doug White from Model Car Muse. I'm here with Heather Hanscom from the Blue Ox channel, the rising star of the Blue Ox channel. She has a story about her dueling Heathers?
Dueling Heather's Jeep build, yep.
How did that come about?
I was sent this kit by Mr. Anonymous, and I don't even remember who said it would be fun if Heather from Model Car Videos and I did like a buddy build, but then they're like, well, you're not really buddies because you've never met, so it should be a dueling Jeep build. So that's kind of how it started. I picked the color. I thought it was going to be more purple, but it's not. So I definitely have a pink Jeep. Jason did one set of decals for me, but I did the rest of them. He just did the little Rubicons on the side, but I did all the other decals. I did all the painting. I did the assembly. So I did it all. And we added the limb risers after the fact. So on an actual Jeep, when you're out in the woods, these two cables will have the branches go up over the windshield instead of hitting the windshield and then slapping you in the face. They're wonderful on the real Jeep.
Yeah, that's something we definitely need in this part of the country.
Yes.
So you're basically box stock with some additions.
Yep. The steering wheel, I had to put a different steering wheel in there because when I put it on the stick to paint it, when I tried to take the stick out, it broke off inside, and so Jason's like, I have a ton of steering wheels, just pick one. So we kind of messed that a little bit, but other than the limb risers, the top, and the steering wheel, it's all pretty much right out of the box.
Nice.
Shortly after I finished assembling this one, I was driving through downtown, and there was actually a pink Jeep just like this.
Yeah.
Very similar to this one downtown. So I was like, oh look, it's my Jeep life size.
That's the best thing about Jeeps, you know, any color works.
Yes,
you know?
absolutely.
And the more outrageous, the better.
Yeah.
So painting was the best part?
For me, not really. I found the painting to be a little tedious because he's like, okay, you got to prime the body. I'm like, okay, so I primed the body. He's like, now you have to paint it. Now you have to clear coat it. It's like, okay, now you have to paint your seats. Now you have to paint all this. I'm like, really? Is this ever going to end?
But not only is it painting, it's okay, now you got to wait.
Yep, you got to wait.
Yeah, you got to do the next step and wait.
Yep. So, but the assembly part it went together really quick. Once everything was painted, it snapped together and glued together really quick. So.
Well, I think you guys did a really cool thing.
Oh, well, thank you.
The dueling Heather's build.
Jeep build, Yep. And it was really nice that Matt and Heather came up to do like the big reveal.
We'll put a link in the comments. You should go check out their video.
Everybody was so positive. They were all like, you're doing a great job. Your Jeeps look awesome. Like, so it was like just everybody is like in this whole model building community is just so supportive and so nice. I was gonna put it in, but put like a big "do not judge" on it. Yeah. But Jason was like, no. He's like, just let it be judged. You never know. So.
He's such a good coach and mentor.
He is. He's very supportive. Yeah.
Heather's pink Jeep did win an award. To find out which one, and to see the reveal videos, and to watch videos of both builds as they progress, go to the Blue Ox Model Shop channel and Matthew and Heather Inman's Model Car Videos channel. Links are in the description below. If you are not already a fan, you soon will be. Also in the description is a link to our Patreon page, where you can see exclusive content from my bench and help us keep on making these videos. Thank you to Heather for sharing her first build with us. Follow your muse wherever you may find it, and may there always be a project on your bench. Thanks for watching. Jason makes this look so easy.
Yeah, I know.